Hello again, this is Monty with the Snirt Stopper, and today I'm going to show you how to install the ultimate side door seal, which we just came out with. It has two parts of it. It has a foam insulation part that will actually go towards the door, and the side tab that you will actually put your screws through. You can either mount this onto your door or your building with the old weather stripping that is in place, or remove your weather stripping and install the side seal on the side of your building. For this part of the installation, you will need a cordless drill, the Snirt Stopper, the ultimate side door seal, a sharp scissor, and the self-tapping screws that will come with the product. Now I'm going to show you how you install the side door seal with our tab here over the existing weather stripping that is on this door. So we'll have the tab with the foam insulation, which will be against the door, and the upper tab is the one that we'll put the screws in, and you want to put the top seal on your door first. The other side seals will overlap over top of that. So I'll go ahead and attach my first screw. And what I like to do is come in about 2 inches from the end, because when I overlap, that'll come into that part of it. And these screws here on the side door seal, we go every 9 inches. Again, I will not measure. I can pretty much guesstimate where 9 inches will be. And that we'll just do that right into the old weather stripping. And you see it gives you a much wider seal on your door than your factory seals or the other type of seals that are out there. Perfect. Again, I'll leave this screw in just a little ways from the end, so when the next one overlaps. Okay, now we'll go back in and do our side. So at this point, you want to overlap the sides, so when the top one is pushed out by the door, it will actually push out the sides. So I'll run that at that angle right there. Put a screw in there. Okay, I'll cut it. Now, do the next upright, so they will actually overlap each other also. So pushing it into the corner, creating the V, making sure you're nice and straight. A little bit more. Okay, now left side is done. Now we'll move over to the right side. Okay, let's go upright. Okay, pretty much it for installing the side seals.